Hello, my dear subscriber, my friends, and my awesome fans. How are you all? Hope you are fine. May God bless you with more happiness every day and with a smile on your face. My dear friends and my lovely subscribers, this is your host Asad Shah. A warm welcome to my amazing channel and your favorite channel, Fashion Addiction, which is the premium online channel for high-end dresses, shoes, and other fashion accessories from around the world. My dear friends, we are showing you the variety of dressing styles and updated fashion. Discover the latest dresses designs on our channel and make your day more beautiful. My dear friends, this is our YouTube channel Fashion Addiction, and we hope you must admire our work for you and kindly tell us about your opinion and great advices in the comments. My dear friends and my lovely viewers, in this video you will see the brilliant variety of kimono wrap gowns for women. These kimono wrap gowns are very pretty and gorgeous as well. And friends, definitely you will like them all. And these are selected only for you to maintain an impressive fashion sense of you. My dear friends, as we always try to make our subscriber stays updated about latest fashion, living style and much more. So friends and fans, a humble request to all of my lovely viewers, please watch the full video of these designs and also press the bell icon so you can never miss any future update from my channel Fashion Addiction. And if you don't press the bell icon, you will miss my further videos. And I don't want that you will miss any update from my channel. And don't forget to comment your suggestion in comment section and give suggestion which video should do next. This makes me happy and motivates me to make more wonderful videos for you. Friends and viewers, you have come to this page in search for something and we want to make sure you find it. That's why we have new arrivals every day. We want to make sure you find those ever so specific outfits like prom dresses, sundresses, ball gowns, party dresses, formal dresses, and cocktail dresses. The list goes on. So friends and viewers, this is our today's video. We hope you must loved our content and be a more supportive to us and make a like. Share this video to your friends and families and don't forget to subscribe my channel Fashion Addiction, and you can make sure you hit the bell icon. The bell icon which is so small in size but very useful for you to watch every new video of my channel. Friends, thank you so very much for watching my whole video. I hope you are enjoying my video. Take a good care of yourself and remember me in your prayers. Keep smiling. Take beautiful ideas from my channel. And friends, if you like my video, then surely notification bell will definitely help you daily to get my fashion updates as soon as I publish them. Friends, love you all.